Welcome to episode 7 of our Mediumship Training and Development series. In this episode, we share a little-known area of mediumship called Spirit Rescue Mediumship, aka helping stuck spirits find their way home. This one is also called Rescue and Transition.
It's that spirit whisperer thing. This series is an introduction to our advanced mediumship training and certification program.
And be sure to check out all of the videos in this series in the link below, where we cover the basic foundation of mediumship development. Just be sure to do it after this video.
Yes. Whether you're more advanced or just asking how do mediums work, this is the place for you.
This is where you should be right here and right now. Yes. For those of you who are just getting to know us.
I'm Heather.
And I'm David.
I'm
ZenRoseGarden.com, home of Zen Ed Academy. Since 2008, we have helped thousands around the globe develop their psychic mediumship gifts with clarity and confidence using our signature NBA method, and it has nothing to do with basketball.
As you come on, let us know where you're watching from.
And if you've got any questions as we go, drop them in the comments.
There are three, get that other finger up, pillars of mediumship, as we like to call them, in our comprehensive advanced mediumship training course. And we make sure our students have a very good understanding of all three. Now, these are spirit messages and evidential mediumship, which we talked about in the last video, spirit rescue and transition, and healing mediumship.
So let's talk about our favorite one, spirit rescue, mediumship, and transition. This is an area that can be tricky to navigate because it is broadly misunderstood and approached as if it is dangerous. There might be some kind of fight or struggle or battle. But the truth is, spirit rescue mediumship is one of the most fun, fulfilling, and rewarding aspects of mediumship.
So one of the reasons it is feared is because it often gets squished together with the religious practice of exorcism, which it is not. In an exorcism, there is often this unnecessary big, in my opinion, a big, often unnecessary battle. No. Spirit rescue is a compassionate process that helps a lost soul find their way home. Plain and simple.
Super simple. Helping a lost soul find their way home.
Simple.
Why would you battle a stranger that's coming to ask for directions? I'm just saying. Let's talk about two things that make this part scary and confusing. And I'm going to blame them both on Hollywood. The epic battle of light and dark. And then the other one, just send them to the light, Carol Ann.
It's not that simple sometimes.
Just send them to the light.
So everyone loves a good fight story, but in mediumship, that epic battle is usually some leftover unresolved emotion that a spirit is having with themselves.
It's not some big bad demon.
They're not.
Just gonna say.
They're not trying to fight you, they're fighting themselves.
Exactly. And maybe that fight is their communication trying to tell you the story of why they're stuck. Now let's talk about the light for a moment and think about this one for a second. If it were that easy, wouldn't they already do it? Also realize that the light, or their doorway, whatever you want to call it, is going to be something different for each spirit. You are just a medium.
So there are techniques to helping lost spirits go to the light, and that's what we teach in pillar number 2 of our advanced mediumship certification course. But in a nutshell, spirit rescue mediumship is needed when the otherwise smooth and natural process of crossing over is disrupted by some unstable emotion or fear of the person who has died, and they get lost and confused.
Absolutely. Or they're scared of going home, or they're afraid of judgment. All of those pieces and parts are parts of why this process got disrupted for whatever reason. In other words, spirit rescue and transition is simply helping lost souls find their way home. Don't forget to catch all of the videos in this series using the link below so that you can have a better basic foundation for mediumship development.
In the next episode, we're going to share some little known secrets to healing mediumship and how you might already be doing it.
Be sure to check that one out. If you've got something valuable today and you want more, you might be interested in our metaphysical school and community, Zen Ed Academy. This is where we have focused our life's work with thousands of clients around the globe and where you can take advantage of PhD-backed education, weekly practice, and, my favorite part, the supportive community experience. If you are ready to level up your psychic mediumship skills, we also have our advanced mediumship training and certification program.
If you want to learn more, you can click the links in the description.
Since you guys have watched this far, be sure to check out the goodies that we've got for you. There's a link in the description below. If you like this video,
Hit the like button.
hit it hard. If you want to see more videos like
Be
this,
sure to subscribe
and spank that naughty bell to turn notifications on
so you're the first to know.
when we drop a new video.
Or go live.
I don't
idea
know.
what that was.
I don't either. We know that time is a valuable and precious resource, and the fact that you guys have chosen to spend that with us, we honor and appreciate that. But more importantly, that you are here to level up your life, your skills, your mind, and take everything to a whole new level. We honor and appreciate that even more. If you want more, be sure to binge on some of our other videos. You might find them somewhere around here. I don't necessarily know where you're going to find them, but I'm sure you can figure it out. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.
See you in the next video.